Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the picture mode on your Samsung ViewFinity S8. First of all, you have to reach for the joystick that you can find on the back side of the monitor. You can easily reach for it from the bottom side of the monitor. Press it once. This way you will open the on-screen display menu. Now here you have to navigate your joystick to the top to highlight menu and press the joystick once. Now on the sidebar you're gonna have to select picture. To navigate here, drag your joystick up or down. Then once you highlighted picture, press your joystick once, and here you're gonna have to select the picture mode by pressing the joystick once again and selecting the picture mode that you like the most. Then you can also adjust the brightness, the contrast, and eye saver mode. To adjust brightness and contrast levels, move your joystick either to the left or to the right. And once you're done, just press your joystick once again and then move it to the left 2 times. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.